Great thing about this recipe, it's super quick, really simple, and they're not fried. So it's a bit of a melt and mix recipe. Toss it in the cinnamon sugar and we're done. If you want to grab a tiny bit of butter and just grease each one of these really lightly, just as an insurance policy so they don't stick, I'm going to grab the flour and the sugar. So we're going to make lots of donuts, 24 donuts. So we've got lots to share. Now I need 1 1/4 cups of plain flour. And just so our donuts are super light, I'm going to pop it in a sieve just to make sure there's no lumps. And 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Done. Mix that in. How are you going?
Pretty good.
Wow, you're quick. I better fast time it. And just 1/3 cup of sugar for here, like that. And then I just need to make a well in the center. And then an egg. And then 125 grams of melted butter. Just pour that in. And 2/3 cup of milk. And I'm nearly done. Are you nearly done? Oh, they look great. That. Round we go. I'm ready for you. Perfect. Now, so I just get the right amount in. Might use this little cup just to pour them. And so they puff up like little donuts. We fill them all the way up to the top. Wow, donuts and stripy milkshakes.
Good
Can't
combo.
go wrong. Yeah, great combo. Last one. We make a good team, don't we?
Yep.
Okay, do you want to grab that one? I'll grab this one. Let's pop them in the oven. Thank you.
There you go.
12 minutes is all they take, and then the girls will be back. Be time for feasting.
Yes. Oh, look. Can you see any? Oh, yeah, there's some over here. Oh, wow. Oh, look. There's a really, really big piece. It's gonna make a good fire. Yeah, we'll probably have to snap it. Oh, look, another one even.
Those milkshake syrups are looking good. Which one would you like to try?
Raspberry, please.
Raspberry. All we need to do is just let a little bit slide down the glass. And then when we fill it with milk, we've got these fun stripy milkshakes. And you can get your straw and give it a swizzle to get all the flavour in the milk.
Sounds good.
Okay. Give it a swirl around and a little try. Good?
Oh, yes.
How's our donuts? Very puffy, aren't they?
Oh, yum.
We are good donut makers.
Looking good.
Grab the first one. Careful, it's hot. Working really quickly. Just a tiny little bit of melted butter on each one, just so that cinnamon sugar sticks, because we want all that stuck to the outside. Out you come, little donuts. Ah, there they go. And then we've got the beautiful little bases. Did I get all of them?
Yep.
Woo! Let's toss them about. All we need is 1/3 cup of granulated sugar mixed with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Super exciting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo. That's one for you.
Okay.
Are we going to try that one?
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Is it good?
That's amazing.
Oh my goodness, that's so yum.